to give you guys a fun little demo. All right, y'all can see my screen?
Yes.
All right, so it's my feet. These are you guys. Oh, do you love this? Do you like my ghetto standing desk?
That is so
I mean,
elegant.
if it works,
Awesome.
you know.
Isn't that great? Oh man, I'm having so much fun. Okay, so to give you a sense, right? So here's my feet. Here's my 300 square foot apartment, and here's the window that looks outside, right? So there's you all see the Superman building?
Yes.
So this is kind of interesting. So I could photograph this like a quadrillion different ways. I could photograph it like this. I could photograph it like this. I could photograph it like that. You know, or some people you could like zoom in all the way and photograph it like that too, right? Typically, when it comes to composition, I'm not a big fan of zooming or cropping or telephoto, whatever, because to me, composition is far more interesting when it's a creative constraint where, and also I try to think it's like, how can I photograph this a little bit more novelly than other people have? So, this is the typical photograph everyone shoots. But I'm so much more interested in like doing techniques where I'll like do a composition like kind of something like that. Like that's a far more interesting composition than that, right? And so typically the gist is composition to me, it's all about this notion of creative constraints, because when it comes to your compositions, there's like a quadrillion different ways that you could photograph something. And so for example, you could, decide to just photograph like that, right? And I kind of mentioned this in the last workshop is remembering that like there's so much life outside of the frame. And this is actually what's very interesting to me as a photographer. So kind of to Chris's point, right? Is that we could essentially block out. So essentially when you're photographing stuff, you're deciding what to keep in, you're deciding what to select, and you're deciding what to not show. And so when it comes to, I guess, effective compositions, I think it's really important and interesting to think about what to select or not. So yeah, and also